Hey everyone! Welcome to the Tech in Resham series. Today, we're diving into Proxmox Manager Alpha, a platform that's like Vmware vSphere. In Proxmox VE management, we had to manually add a server to a cluster to do things like migration and high availability. But Proxmox Manager Alpha is still in the early stages of development, so we can already see its potential. Let's start by downloading Debian Bookworm as its prerequisite and create. Creating a container template, CT, container. Once it's installed, log in to the CT. Now, let's install Proxmox Manager using this command. echo deb http://download.proxmox.com/debian/pdm bookworm pdm test etc app sources.list.d pdm-test.list wg https://enterprise.proxmox.com/debian/proxmox-release-bookworm.gpg etc apt trusted.gpg proxmox release bookworm.gpg apt update apt install Proxmox Data Center Manager, Proxmox Data Center Manager UI. After the installation, log into Proxmox Manager using this URL, https://ipour hostname 8443. Adding a node, also known as a PVE server, to the manager is a breeze. Just enter the IP address, the SSL fingerprint, which you can get from PVE, and your login credentials. Once everything's set up, you'll be able to connect to the PVE server and check out its virtual machines, VMs, container templates, CTs, and other cool stuff. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, so please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your feedback is super important to me, so feel free to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn in the comment section.